This is the Aqueon fish tank starter kit with LED. This is the 20-gallon size. And you can see my fish is making an appearance there. She's a fantail goldfish. She is not included with this setup. But let's talk about the fish tank itself. My favorite thing about this fish tank is the LED lighting. You can see the tank looks great. This is in broad daylight. It looks even better at night. And the glass is really sturdy and durable. The lid is very easy. It's got a little feeding window right here where you can drop the food in. And then if you want to take a look in there, you can lift that. Oh, there's my snail. You can see him on the filter there. As far as the filter goes, very easy to change. This part pops right off there, and then that tab that says front, that's the part you grab to replace the filter. So really easy there. This red light will indicate when it's time to change the filter for you. So this kit comes with the tank, it comes with the top, it comes with the LED lights, it comes with the filter. So everything you need to get started. It does not come with the substrate, so that's something you would have to get separately, but it's a really great beginner kit for anyone kind of starting off in the aquarium. I highly recommend it. I think it looks great. It's very easy to set up. I can't really think of any downsides except for it's heavy, so keep that in mind, but that goes for all fish tanks. So when you're setting it up, the fish tank is very heavy, especially once it's filled with water. You will not be able to move it by yourself, so just keep that in mind. But as far as this tank goes, the lighting's great, the filter's great, it looks great. My fish loves it, and I think yours will too.